My name is Joey, and for the last couple of years I've been working on some stuff with the Rubik's Cube. I've solved one completely submerged in water. Brought it to the drive-thru and shown the employees some pretty cool magic.
No way! If this was solved, that'd be pretty cool.
And I've even set a world record with one. However, this year when my family went up to summer vacation to the lake, I thought it would be fun to bring a Rubik's Cube along and see what happens. So I ended up collaborating with something that I'm not very good at, and that's water skiing, and I crash. A lot. I was able to get on the skis while holding a Rubik's Cube in my hand. You can take a look at what happened.
Nice! Thanks! Okay, let's have this over. Alright, you can pull me around. Hit it! Yeah! That's right! Well, that worked. All right.
And in all honesty, it's pretty fun to watch, for at least me, because I get to relive what it's like to solve a Rubik's Cube on water skis. I hope I showed you something that you've never seen before, and I hope that you try something completely new to you. Have a great day.